Today, I'll show you how to upgrade a Google Workspace subscription using the Google Admin Console. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for, so you can move to the edition that best fits your organization. First, you'll need to sign in to the Google Admin Console using an account that has administrator privileges. This is important because only admins are allowed to make changes to billing and subscriptions. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main Admin Console dashboard, which shows various cards and menu options for managing users, apps, and settings. From here, look toward the upper left corner of the screen for the main navigation icon, often called the menu or hamburger icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click that menu icon to open the navigation panel. This panel gives you access to all the main areas of the admin console. In the menu, locate and click on Billing. The Billing section is where you manage your current subscriptions, payment methods, and, in this case, any upgrades or changes to your Google Workspace plan. Once you click Billing, you'll see options related to your existing services. Within Billing, select the option labeled Buy or Upgrade. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated page where Google lists the different Google Workspace editions that are available for your account and region. This is the central place where you can compare and choose a different edition. On the Buy or Upgrade page, you'll see a list of available Google Workspace editions laid out, usually in separate cards or sections. These might include editions like Business Starter, Business Standard, Business Plus, or Enterprise, depending on what's offered in your area and what you're currently using. Take a moment to look through the descriptions shown for each edition. You'll typically see key differences like storage limits, security features, meeting capabilities, and other business tools. Find the edition you want to switch to. This should be based on your organization's needs, such as more storage, advanced security, or additional collaboration features. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that the features and estimated price meet your expectations before you move ahead. Once you've identified the edition you want, look for a button on that edition's card that says Upgrade or Switch. The wording may vary slightly depending on what plan you're on now and what you're moving to, but the purpose is the same. It starts the process of changing your subscription. Click that Upgrade or Switch button. After you click it, Google may guide you through a short confirmation flow. You can expect to review details such as the new plan name, the billing frequency, and the updated cost. Carefully read through this information so you understand how your subscription and charges will change. When everything looks correct, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the upgrade. Once you confirm, your Google Workspace subscription will be updated to the new edition. In most cases, the change takes effect quickly and your users will start benefiting from the new features associated with that edition. And that's all there is to upgrading your Google Workspace subscription through the Admin Console.